Now, one cannot discuss cryptocurrencies without mentioning Bitcoin, the trailblazer in the field. Despite its supremacy, Bitcoin has been confronted with growing competition from newer, more technologically innovative coins. But with its restricted supply and rising institutional acceptance, it's plausible that Bitcoin will maintain its crown in 2024. There are, however, valid concerns about Bitcoin's scalability and energy consumption that can't be ignored. Yet, its status as a store of value and its widespread institutional adoption could potentially propel its price further upwards. On the other side of the coin, we have Ethereum, often referred to as the world computer, owing to its smart contract capabilities. The long-anticipated Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, with the promise of improved scalability and lower fees, might just be the game-changer that Ethereum needs to truly shine. The shift to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism could tackle Ethereum's scalability issues, making way for more efficient decentralized applications. If this upgrade delivers as expected, Ethereum might witness substantial growth in 2024. But what about the rising stars, the emerging altcoins that have been causing a stir in the crypto community? From decentralized finance projects to non-fungible tokens, these altcoins offer a plethora of opportunities. But the question remains, which of these have the true potential to skyrocket in 2024? Spotting the next big altcoin can be a daunting task, but projects boasting solid fundamentals, groundbreaking technology, and a committed community certainly stand out. Keep tabs on budding platforms like Solana, Polkadot, and Avalanche, which bring unique features and use cases to the table. To sum up, forecasting which cryptocurrency will boom in 2024 is no walk in the park. While established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to rule the roost, emerging altcoins offer thrilling possibilities for investors. However, always remember to conduct thorough research and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. Who do you think will rise to the top in 2024? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and technology. Until next time, happy investing.